Good morning everyone. I am Gideani Thomas, working as a tutor in Triplam College of Nursing. In this video, I am going to talk to you about emergency contraception. I am going to deal about the introduction, definition, indication, mode of action, who all can use this emergency contraception, methods and summary. Birth control is also known as contraception and fertility control. It is a method or a device used to prevent pregnancy. These birth control methods have been used since ancient times, but effective and safe methods only become available in the 20th century. Emergency contraception recommends for use within 5 days, but are more effective the sooner they are used after the act of intercourse. What is the definition of emergency contraception? Emergency contraception, refers to a method of contraception that can be used to prevent pregnancy after sexual intercourse. This is the definition of emergency contraception. What all are the indications? The indication of emergency contraceptions are unprotected intercourse, condom rupture, missed pill, delay in taking POP, progesterone only pill, for more than 3 hours, sexual assault or rape, and first time intercourse as known to be always unplanned. Risk of pregnancy following a single act of unprotected coitus around the time of ovulation is 8%. How it acts, mode of action. These contraceptive pills prevent the pregnancy by delaying the ovulation, and they do not induce abortion. And copper bearing IUDs prevent the fertilization by causing a chemical change in sperm and egg before they meet. And emergency contraception cannot interrupt an established pregnancy or harm a developing embryo. Like this emergency contraception is acting. This IUDs, copper bearing IUDs, it will causing some chemical change in the sperm and egg, and they will delay the ovulation, and they do not induce an abortion. Who can use emergency contraception? A woman or a girl who is in the reproductive age and they may need emergency contraception to avoid an unwanted pregnancy. This type of woman can use the emergency contraception. And there is no absolute medical contraindication to use the emergency contraception. There is no age limit for the use of this method. And the eligibility criteria for the use of copper intrauterine devices also apply for the use of copper IUDs in emergency purposes. What all are the methods of emergency contraception? There are 4 methods of emergency contraception. ECPs containing UPA. ECP means emergency contraception. UPA is ulipristal acetate. It is a progesterone receptor modulator. Then ECP containing LNG, levonorgestrel, and combined oral contraceptive pills, copper-bearing intrauterine devices. These are the 4 methods of emergency contraception. ECPs containing UPA, ECP containing LNG, combined oral contraceptive pills, and copper-bearing intrauterine devices. In the next slides, we will see one by one. The first method is ECPs and COCs, that is emergency contraception pills and combined oral contraceptive pills. WHO recommend any of the following drugs for the emergency contraception. ECPs with UPA taken as a single dose of 30 mg. ECPs with LNG taken as a single dose of 1.5 mg, or alternatively they can take LNG 2 doses of 0.75 mg each 12 hours apart. And COCs taken as a split dose, 1 dose of 100 microgram of ethinyl estradiol plus 0.50 mg of LNG, followed by a second dose of 100 mg of ethinyl estradiol plus 0.50 mg of LNG 12 hours apart. This is called use method. So here in this method, they can take UPA as a single dose of 30 mg and LNG they can take as a single dose, or they can take as a 2 doses. What all are the effectiveness of this contraception? A meta-analysis of 2 studies show that women who used ECP with UPA had a pregnancy rate of 1.2%. It is very, very less. And ideally, ECPs with LNG had a pregnancy rate of 1.2% to 2.1%. ECPs with UPA and ECPs with LNG or COCs should be taken as early as possible after unprotected intercourse within 120 hours. If the person is taking as much as early, the effectiveness is high. ECPs with UPA are more effective between 72 to 120 hours after unprotected intercourse than others. So here in this method, UPA, ulipristal acetate, is more effective than any other contraception. The safety. For every contraceptive pills, there are side effects. Here also this ECP are having some side effect, but it is similar to those who are taking oral contraceptive pills, such as nausea and vomiting, slight irregular vaginal bleeding and fatigue. Side effects are not common. They are mild and will normally resolve without any medication. After taking the emergency contraceptive pills, if the person is having vomiting within 2 hours, they have to repeat the dosage. ECPs with LNG or with UPA are preferable to COCs because this will cause less nausea and vomiting. And there is no need of antiemetics before taking emergency contraceptive pills. And this type of contraception do not harm the future fertility. There is no delay in the return to fertility after taking emergency contraceptive pills. So these all are the safety from this method of contraception. Next method is copper bearing intrauterine devices. WHO recommends that the copper bearing IUDs, when used as an emergency contraceptive method, be inserted within 5 days of unprotected intercourse. And this method, it is appropriate for the woman who would like to start using a highly effective, long-acting and reversible contraceptive method. These are the second method of emergency contraception. We will see what all are the effectiveness of this type of contraception. When inserted within 120 hours of unprotected intercourse, a copper bearing IUD is more than 99% effective in preventing pregnancy. Once it is inserted, woman can continue to use the IUD as an ongoing method of contraception or may choose to change to other contraceptive methods. And safety of this method. This copper bearing IUD is a safe form of emergency contraception. It is estimated that there may be less than 2 cases of pelvic inflammatory disease per 1000 users, and the risk of expulsion or perforation are very low. So it is very safe form of emergency contraception. So I would like to conclude this session. So the use of emergency contraception should be evaluated for pregnancy if menses have not begun within 21 days following the treatment. Women and men of reproductive age should be counseled about emergency contraception. So I hope that you all know about what is emergency contraception. These are the references. Thank you all for watching the video. Thank you so much.